Today I'm going to show you how to write unit test to MongoDB and how to mock it. This is my Mongo with Java application which I have created recently. You can check out it from GitHub. Those are the methods that I'm going to write the unit testing. So first you have to create a package in your test area. In here I'm going to write unit test into service layer, since this is a Spring Boot project. So after that I created the service, created a test class, and I extended it. And here, if you are extending this to Mongo application test, you have to auto add service interface, actual service IMPL, implementation of the service class, service interface, and you have to auto add repository. In here I have user repository, I auto add it, and you have to write the method to initialize some variables and some details. In here I used at before annotation here. This annotation is used for some, like every before the every test cases running, it will be executed. So here I will write test for save method, save user method. This is my payload, JSON payload. I'm going to save two users before run this test classes, test methods. I'm going to use a try-cat because I'm using object mapper class. It will be throwing some exception, that so we need to catch the Now I'm going to create a user array. So, and I can extract two users from my user string. So now there are two users. As usual, we can save those users to our MongoDB. This is the saving part of those users. This is my test method. Actually, in this test class, checking our test method of our implementation class. In here, I'm checking my user count of MongoDB. In initialize method, I have saved two users, so the result would be 2 in here. I'm checking it now whether my implementation search method working or not. Uses 0.getName would be equal to Panuka. So in here, in POM file, you have to add one dependency for MongoDB, that is food or something, flapdoodle or something. You have to choose de.flapdoodle.embedded dependency in your POM file. If it is not MongoDB, once you are running the application, you could search the MongoDB in your local machine. Now you can see the test method got passed. Now I'm debugging my application, so you can see the actual values. So when I'm checking the users, there are two users, you can see. That means it's saved to our mock MongoDB. In here, behind the scenes, MongoDB create embedded MongoDB. my zero user name is Bhanuka. So likewise you can write many test method to other test methods also.